Joanne with Create Better Health SNAP Ed program. I'm affiliated with USU Extension. When it comes to hard-boiled eggs, I like using them in deviled eggs, potato salad, or just all by themselves. They make a really good snack. And there's so much to love about making the classic egg salad. And they're high in nutrients too, so they're good for you. A couple of great things besides that is that you can make these ahead of time and you can make it your own. It's simple. You can make it spicy, you can use Greek yogurt, you can use some low-fat mayo, you could add some spinach or romaine, whatever your heart desires. The number 2 reason is you can make it ahead. And this recipe is great for that. It can stay in your refrigerator for up to 3 days, and you can store it covered in your refrigerator. The secret to peeling a hard-boiled egg, if there is one, is taking, you'll see the egg, there's a pointy side and then a bigger, wider side. And if you were to start peeling at the wider side, there's an air pocket right here. And it'll be much easier to get that peeling off. There's no 100% foolproof way of peeling an egg, but that's pretty close. All right, so let's get to showing you how to boil your eggs so we can make some egg salad, shall we? Come on, let's go. So I got a saucepan and we're gonna fill it up with some hot water and bring it to a boil, okay? And once it's boiling, we're gonna put our cold egg from the refrigerator. That's right, not room temperature, but cold egg. We're gonna put it on our spoon and we're gonna lower it into our boiling water very carefully. And then we're going to bring that up to a boil again because the eggs will make it so that the temperature in the water lowers. So we want to bring that back up to a boil and we're going to boil it for 13 minutes. And when it's done, we take it out and put it in some ice cold water. So you're going to want to put some ice cubes in half cold water in a bowl, and we're going to place that into that bowl for about 5-10 minutes. That should do it. And what that does is it seals the membrane that's between the eggshell and the egg. And voila, you've got an egg that's easy to peel and beautiful in the inside. So let's peel one and let you see how easy that is. All right, here's our My Plate. We're gonna move that up a little bit. Move this to the side. Okay, so remember, we're gonna take the wide section and we're just going to start peeling that egg. Look how easy that is. This will be so nice when we're having our family dinners or just our dinner for ourselves or lunch. And that's it. Then you've got your egg. And then we're gonna place that egg and we're gonna make some egg salad today. Do you guys like egg salad sandwiches? I sure do. I was brought up with them and I really do enjoy them. Okay, so I've got some toasted bread, but you don't have to have yours toasted. Remember, have it your way. And you can have it untoasted or toasted. This is a whole wheat sunflower bread. And then put some butter on both sides of the inside part of your toast. And you probably remember your moms and dads doing that, or your grandmas and grandpas. And what that does is it makes it so your bread doesn't get soggy. So if you ever wondered, that's why. Okay, so egg in your bowl, and then take your fork, and we're just gonna mash that right up. Oh, first of all, before we do that, I want you to see how beautiful that yolk is. Look at that. Okay, you don't see any green around there. You just see beautiful yellow, and that's what you want. You don't want any of that green ring that sometimes you will see on hard-boiled eggs. And that means that you've cooked it way too long. Okay, here we go. Let's get this just kind of chopped up the best that you can so you don't choke on anything. Okay, there we go. Then we're gonna put in yogurt, or you could use, like I said, a low-fat mayo, and some Dijon mustard. That's about 2 tablespoons or 1/8 of a cup of each. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of relish if you want. If you don't, then leave it out. I like relish. We're gonna do a pinch of salt and pepper. I love pepper, so yummy. And then a pinch of onion powder. Do you guys like onion powder? Just a pinch. I like the flavor. And if you don't have onion powder, you could put some raw onion in there, and that would be really good too. And we're just gonna mix this up. See how simple? It takes us less than 5 minutes to get this together. All right. And where we got? We have egg salad. Now that we got all that going, we're gonna take our bread, and I have buttered both sides, okay? Put it on my plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and use spinach today. And I'm gonna take these stems off, only because they're kind of unsightly. Not that you can't eat it, because you can. So if you don't mind and you wanna have those, they add a little crunch to your sandwich. And then I'm just gonna put, I don't know, 5 or 6 leaves on here. You can have as many as you want though. And then we'll go ahead and put our egg salad on there. There we go. Put our top on with the butter side so that it doesn't get our bread all soggy. And then that is basically it. That's how easy it is to make an egg salad. Now, I want to talk to you a little about nutrients. You know, eggs are so healthy for you, but the egg salad sandwich is really good for you. We've got our grains, our vegetable with our spinach leaves, and then we have our protein with our eggs. You can add anything extra, like I said, or you could use even romaine lettuce, and that would work as well. One more thing, add some movement, like taking a walk with a friend, or just doing the things you love doing, like gardening. It makes it so much more fun. Remember to go to your local commodity supplemental food program for seniors and see if you qualify for a monthly food package from my home to yours. Until next time.